Customer is looking to get a bid to have their retaining wall on the south side of their house replaced. I'm going to just give you a couple dimensions here. So it's 90 feet from the sidewalk right here to the back where we're going to be ending. This is all manual, and it's all going to have to be jackhammered out. I said it's going to be expensive just based solely on the manual part of this. So we'll have to walk in the neighbor's yard to an extent, but there's no way to get up here with a skid. There's just yeah, yuck. So, all right, so we've got 90 feet, and the height of the wall here is above the grade of their yard in many places. So, as I walk through this, just know that the height that you see is not going to be the final grade, the final height of this. All right, so for the first little bit, we're going to call this right around 12 to 14 inches. Let's call it 12 to 14 inches. Coming up here for the first 15 feet, and I'll actually show you up here what the difference is in the heights. So you can see right here. I don't know if you can see right here. We've got a wall that's 1, 2, so 16, 17. It's 20 inches tall. However, there is, 6 to 8 inches, I mean even more as it gets further down. Can you see what I'm talking about? That's exposed. So we're going to call it 12 to 14 inches as it comes along here, and we're going to call this, it's going to go up to 16 for 15 feet. And I mean, even here, you can see we've got 1, 2, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's 25 inches tall here, but I've got at least 10 inches on the other side. So, all right, all that to say, 90 feet, the first 15 feet, we'll call that 14 inches. And then the next 15 feet, we'll call it 16 inches. And then it's just going to kind of go up like that. So if you want to just do it based on 15-foot increments. The final section here, this area here, this is 30 inches over here. So we've got 30 inches tall at the very end. So you can see we've got a retaining wall over here that was replaced. So we're ending it right in this area and just meeting it up with that. So so I guess maybe the best way to say this is that that it steps up. So if from 14 to 30 inches. So let's say that's 44 divided by 2 is 22. If you want to call it an average of 22 inches, that's probably going to be pretty accurate. Even 24 inches just for kicks and giggles. So 90 times 2 feet is 180 square feet, something along those lines. So, yeah, you can see this is the area that we're walking through. We have to go around the tree to an extent. We're gonna. I talked to them about possibly having them take out the fence that we have here and straightening out the wall. This is going to be a bear. I mean, an absolute bear to get out. So, jackhammer. Yeah, we'll need to get a pneumatic jackhammer for at least, I'm going to say, for 3 days to jackhammer this out. I just want to, I don't want to get caught short on this. So, let's see here. I'm just looking at access over here. So this is the neighbor's garage. All right, and this is their garage. So, looks like we can get a pneumatic jackhammer right over here and run the line along here, but we're going to need 200 feet easily of hose for it. So, yeah. Can I say it anymore? It's a bear. So, here's the back side of it. So you can see over here, it's not, this is 30 inches, and this actually does come up to grade. So, and along here, now once again, we're, 4 to 5 inches above the walls, 4 to 5 inches above the grade. So, yeah, 90 feet. Going from 14 to 30 inches. I asked them about timing, and they said probably August. And I said that's perfect because we wouldn't be able to get to you before then anyway. So, I wonder if Jack, I don't even know if Jack could do this. I mean, it'd just be all manual demo. Well, it doesn't hurt. We could ask Jack to see if he wants to dig it out with a jackhammer, and, well, we'll see.